came up these type of pants with light color tops. And hello my lovely friends, welcome to my channel Heartfulness Om. So today is Janmashtami. Happy Janmashtami to all of you. And today is my fast, so yeah, I'm not able to talk properly, I don't know why. Anyways, so let's start with the banana recipe. This banana recipe you can use you can take in Janmashtami fast also. So let me tell you the ingredients you need for the banana kheer. First of all, I'm taking 4 bananas. In these 4 bananas, 2 I will mash, like I will just mash it like with the fork, and 2 I will cut it into like small pieces, and I'll do that after telling you all the ingredients. After that, I'll take almonds, and these almonds will be mixed, like I will make the paste of these almonds. The third ingredient you need is saffron. I'm taking like, I think 9, 10 or 11 to 12 threads of the saffron. Then you need milk. I'm taking like 2 big glasses of the milk. After that, last but not the least, we'll need sugar. So sugar you can take as per your taste. So let's start with the recipe. So first of all, as you can see, I have put, I think, more than 2 glasses of the milk in the karahi. So I'm just going to wait till it starts boiling. So it will take, I think, 5 to 7 minutes. As you can see, the milk has come to the point where it starts boiling. So now what I'll do is I'll just put the paste of almonds. This is the paste of almond. I'll put the paste in the milk. So this is how it looks after putting the paste of the almond. You can substitute it with kaju also, like you can put kaju paste also in this. So you can see it's boiling. So just move it like this, slowly. Now we'll put the saffron, the threads of the saffron in this. Mix it after putting the saffron. Just put your gas on the low flame and let it cook like this only for 5 minutes, and just move it like this only, so that you don't boil the, like, just mix it, move it like in between, and let it just cook for 5 minutes. Till that time you can cut the bananas into small pieces, and 2 bananas you have to cut into small pieces, and 2 other bananas you have to just mash it. So we can do that. Hey friends, so as you can see, I have this banana, 2 bananas I have mashed it. This is how it looks, and these are the other 2 bananas which I have cut it into small pieces. So do it like this, cut the banana into pieces like this and mash like this. And this is how the milk looks after 5 minutes of queso. Now we can put sugar in this as per the taste. Like this you should have done, like I should have done. I have put threads of the kesar, like saffron, you can see here, and it is turning into yellow color. So you should do like this only, instead of putting threads directly. So you should like I should have also done like this only. This is another day I'm making the kheer, so I just recording like today. So you should have done like this. You should do like this. Put the threads of the saffron in a little bit milk, like only this much, and keep it aside for 25 minutes or half an hour. So you will see it will turn into yellow color like this. Otherwise you will not get the color if you will get directly put the saffron in the kheer. So yeah, do it like this. I have put 4 spoon of the I have put 4 spoons of the sugar in this. And now we can put bananas in this. So we'll put the bananas in this. So I have put the bananas in this, and this is how it looks after putting the banana. Now mix it like this and cook it like this for 10 minutes on full gas, and you can check in between. Just mix it like this, move it like this, and cook it for 10 minutes. So this is how the kheer looks after cooking. Now what you need to do is just keep it in the fridge for 1 hour and serve it when it cools down. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on cooking, beauty, hairstyle, hair care, and daily life vlogs. Till then, bye.